Hi everyone, this is Cyrus for iPhoneS.com and iPhoneAppsFinder.com. Today I'm back with another exciting application. It's called Outread. It's an application for speed reading. Now we've been covering a lot of these applications in the past, such as Ace Reader, Accelerate, and all these other ones that allow you to read your documents faster. This one is actually very user friendly, has a very elegant user interface, obviously optimized for iOS 7. So how it works is you can either bring your own content, use classical books, add from your browser. So there are multiple ways for you to do it. You also have option to, if I show you here, connect your Pocket, Instapaper, Readability, and Pinboard account to track and read your documents faster. So how it works, let's say I want to read an article that we had on our website and just say play, and that's how it plays it. Now if I go back and change the speed to, I can also change the font. I can change the highlighter as well, so like that. And let's just go and make that to 895 words per minute. So that's a pretty fast speed for me personally. Now let's go with that. There's also the option to change the theme from day mode to night mode. This is actually very good if you want to do some nighttime reading. It's actually more comfortable for me personally. You can also change the reading mode. You can see I can change the contrast. I can change the delay. You want to have audio feedback, have that available as well. So these options are all available and you can play with it. And that's one of the benefits of having an app like this that is highly customizable. Now, what you can do with this app is you can add your own Microsoft Word document or text or files, and as long as your ebooks are DRM free, obviously. So you have that option. Your books are going to be available offline. So let me show you. You have this book, $100 startup. I just added it from my application. Now I can show you again how it's done. So let me go to Real Docs, and I want to actually add this application to my Outread account. So what you can do is you can open it in Outread and it's going to get imported right there. Going to get imported again. So you have the option to actually read this book like that. How it works for you, as you saw, I actually changed the settings for the app, and that's why it showed that way. One thing that I want to show you is how to actually add documents from, let's say, Safari. So these guys actually have a guide for you that you have to follow. Very easy to do. You just have to follow the instructions step by step, and they show you the way. Now, once you have that, I can go to a site like my own here. Let's say just any article will do. So let's just say 10 best gym applications for iPhone, and I want to add this to my Outread application to read it faster. So what I can do here is I can go and tap on this icon right there. Now I followed the steps there. So once you add that, you have now the option to actually read this article faster. You obviously have your standard features we're not going to talk about. You do have the option, as I mentioned, to add your readability, Instapaper, Pocket, and Pinboard. And this is important if you want to sync your versions that you're reading across your devices. And you also have the ability to track your stats. So how many words you've read, how much progress you're making. Speed reading is not something you can master overnight. At the same time, if you follow the instructions and keep adding it, keep using the application like this and keep learning techniques to avoid distractions and to get rid of bad reading habits, you're going to get there eventually. You may not be able to read 1,000 words per minute right from the start. But imagine if you improve your speed even by 20% in a short period of time, you're going to be able to read actually more. An application like this can help. I can also add classic books again. Let me go back there and just do a download it. It's going to take about maybe 10 seconds depending on the size of the book, maybe more, maybe less. And it's going to get added again to the list here, and then I can read it. You can also sort the articles and books. Sort option is available. So I tap here. I want to read this book. So it's going a little bit fast for me. Let me change that. Let me go there and change the reading mode back to the guided reading. Change the contrast here. There we go. So there you have it. However you want to read, Outread has you covered. I really like the design of the application. Very simple and very easy to get used to. Didn't have to read a guide, a 20-page guide to get used to it. And also, I do like the nice touch of actually providing guidance. So whether you want to add bookmarks or add documents to your Outread from other applications, they already have the guides available for you. So you just have to follow the instructions and you're pretty much set. Pretty awesome application for speed reading. Go check it out on the iOS App Store. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. If you have any questions for the developer, again, you can leave it in the comment section or contact the developer directly. Thanks again for watching, guys.